babies are, and I would love for you to come on along with me on my journey in homesteading and learning about my chickens and doing all that fun stuff. Ooh, you can tell Snowball's mad. That one did an escape artist. And Snowball's mad because I took the one female, one of his females, and put her over here. I don't know if you guys can see her. Here. Oop, no, that didn't help. She's right there. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Literally, I just moved her. It's okay. What do you got, Snowball? Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. I'll probably put her back with everybody else, but you can see her beak. I'm worried about it. Okay, let's see who's still upstairs. Hey, Mama. Hi, Mama. Guess I could check for eggs. There's none there, none there. No, I just want her where I can easily... Oh, and one of my hens, as I was trying to get that little girl out, decided it was time to run for the hills. No eggs. No eggs. And down we go. Down we go. Look, the girls have got it all figured out. Down they go. Are you going down? She's like, nah, I don't think so. You can see everybody down here. Well, no, you can't because I got wood right in front of you. Oh, we got a traffic jam. And a pissed off Snowball. I don't know, I think that's kind of like a mating dance. But anyways. I'll probably put that one girl back. I need to clip her beak, I'm pretty sure. And she's just not. They're just being so mean to her. So's he, though. Get off of her. Hey, baby.